This video will show you how to find scholarly articles using Start My Research. You will likely be asked to use scholarly journal articles and research papers for your classes. These may also be called academic, peer-reviewed, or refereed journal articles. Start My Research is the large search box on the library's homepage, and it searches almost everything the library owns, including scholarly journal articles. To start, you'll type in a few keywords that describe your topic. For example, if we are researching how wildfires contribute to climate change in the Rocky Mountains, we could type wildfires, climate change, Rocky Mountains. Once you've typed your keywords, click the orange search button. After you hit search, you will see a results page, which will also tell you how many hits your search returned. Next, use the filters to narrow your results. First, you can click on scholarly materials, including peer-reviewed, under the Refine Your Search filter. This takes out results such as newspapers or magazines that did not come from a scholarly source. Then, click on Journal Article under the Content Type filter. Scholarly journal articles are published in scholarly or peer-reviewed journals, so you want to make sure you are looking at articles that were published in these sources. Now, your results should just be showing journal articles that were published in scholarly, peer-reviewed sources. You should have fewer results than when you first searched. You can also explore some of the other filters, like publication date, which lets you select the dates an article was published, or discipline, which lets you filter your results by research area. You can read the full article by clicking on the full text online link. Now you know how to use Start My Research to find scholarly journal articles. If you have any questions, please ask us.